Hi, my name is Colin Barr. I am with the History Department here at Aberdeen, and I have been asked to talk to you about HI1027 Making History, which if you're coming here to do history, you're going to have to take. So we're going to be seeing an awful lot of each other next year. But Making History is a really, really fun course. It's all the historians together. It's nobody else, no politics students, no anthropology students, just us. And the idea is very simple. We want to teach you how to do university history. That history is fun, it's about sources, it's about documents, it's about the past. And now that is, of course, I hope, why you came to do history at university, why you're thinking about doing history, but it's also a different thing from what you did at school. So what we want to do is introduce you both to us in the department, I mean all my colleagues who do things from the history of Iran to the history of the ancient Viking world and everything in between. But what we'll do is we'll introduce you in what I hope is a fun, gentle way to handling sources, the original documents of the past, the things that make history fun. So we'll do that. We'll see each other 3 times a week in lectures, and we'll have tutorials in much, much smaller groups. And by the end, I hope, and I believe, we'll all learn how to be historians together at university level. You'll have a much, much better idea of why what we're doing is fun, why it's valuable, and how you can do it and succeed. So I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you in September. Thanks very much.